Hello, Wichita Falls, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I do supplements for roofing companies and maximize their claims all over America. And I know that y'all get ridiculous storms. I know that you get all the hail in the world. Sometimes I'll be laying in bed and my phone just starts going off. And it's like Wichita Falls is getting hit with hail. I got hail recon, so it just ding, ding, ding. My dog's like, please shut that thing off, you know. What I'm doing is I'm trying to help customers such as yourself get with contractors that are reputable, you know. And I know that y'all get guys, you know, they're probably pretty green. They go up to Wichita Falls, and then they start trying to knock through the neighborhoods and everything. And they might not even be from there, you know. And the thing is like if you go through something like my website, click the link in the description, and then fill out that form, I'll get you with somebody that's local to you, and they'll take you through the whole process to be able to get you a new roof. We're looking for wind and hail. I'm sure there's enough damage. If there's not, then we'll put you on a waiting list, and we'll just check your roof semi-annually, 6, 9, 18 months, you know, just waiting for new storms to pass through. So go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out the form, watch the video, and myself or one of my guys will call you, and we will get you set up on a free roof inspection, 100% complimentary. Thank you so much, Wichita Falls. We'll talk to you later.